Good morning, dear students. I am Puneet Kumar from Gronda, working as assistant professor in RPIT College. Today we discuss in this video how to draw the project network in PERT and CPM technique. Here in this question, activity A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are given, and we are also given preceding activity. And for draw the project network, first of all, we describe the rule for construction of a network diagram. The rule of construction of a network diagram, that is, first is each activity is represented by one and only one arrow in the network. Second, no two activity can be identified by the same head and tail event. Third, every node must have at least one activity preceding it and at least one activity following it, except for the node at the very beginning and at the very end of the network. Only one activity may connect any two nodes. Here in the question, the first activity, that is A, according to rule, but there is no preceding activity. That's why we start the numerical point 1, and from this point 1 A start, and after that B, activity B, and preceding activity of B, that is A, and activity C, the preceding activity of A. We say that B and C both are created by A, means the point number 2. From the point number 2, we create the activity B and C. This is B point and this is C point, because B and C both are creating by the A. Now the next activity D create by B and C, means जो D हमारी एक्टिविटी आई है वो B एंड C के कॉम्बिनेशन से आई है, बट B एंड C बोथ आर कमिंग फ्रॉम A. दैट्स वाई हेयर वी एड ए डमी रो. द cost of this dummy row equal to 0, and after that B and C create the D. Next, activity E and the preceding activity of E, that is C, point number 4. This is the point activity E. Next activity, that is F, and it's a preceding activity, that is D, point number 5. Activity 5. The next activity, that is G, and the preceding activity of G, that is E. Next activity, that is H, and the preceding activity of H, that is F and G. मीन्स F and G एक पॉइंट पर हमारे क्या होंगे, टच करेंगे, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी क्रिएट दी H and point number 7 and create the edge. According to rule, our project network starts from one point and end from one point. This is the procedure how to draw the project network. In this question, first of all, हमें कोई भी A का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट नहीं था. दैट्स वाई वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम A. B and C activity starts from A. That's why we create 2 points. When we jump in the next activity, that is D, in the question we can see that D activity starts from B and C, but B and C both are coming from A. That's why we add a dummy row, dummy activity, and that is touch the 3 and 4 point and the cost of this dummy will be equal to 0. And after that we create the D point, and after creating the D point, next activity, that is E, and it comes from C point, and we create the E activity. After that we create the F, and it comes from D, and after that we create G point, and it comes from E. According to question, H activity comes from F and G, that's why we meet one point F and G activity, and after that create the H point. This is the complete procedure how to draw the project network. Okay students, thank you so much.